I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Zoho Bigin for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Select a respected data center. Here need the client ID and client secret for authorization. Please visit the Zoho API console. Click Get Started. Go to Server-Based Applications. Give the name. Here need the homepage URL and authorized redirect URI. Go to the authorization page and copy the homepage URL. Paste it here. Also, copy the authorized redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click Create. This is the client ID and client secret. Copy the client ID and client secret and paste the authorization page. Now click Authorize. Click Accept. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Select the respective module as you want. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to realize according to specific requirements. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Also, go to Zoho Bigin and check the data is listed or not. Here is the data coming into Zoho Bigin from Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.